In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account to Zelle. We'll walk through the process using your bank's official mobile app or online banking website so you can start sending and receiving money quickly and securely. Zelle is built into many US banks, which means you don't need a separate app if your bank supports it. Before you begin, make sure you're using your bank's legitimate app or website and that you have reliable internet. Keeping your app updated helps ensure you see the latest Zelle options and security features. Start by signing into your bank's app or website with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for the area labeled Send Money with Zelle. Depending on your bank, it might appear under Payments, Transfers, or Move Money. If you don't see it right away, try the menu or the search bar within the app. The Zelle section is where you'll set up your profile and connect your account for transfers. Next, follow the on-screen prompts to enroll. You'll be asked to choose either an email address or a US mobile number. Pick the one you check most often because your bank may send a verification code to confirm it's really you. Keep in mind that each email or mobile number can be linked to only one Zelle profile at a time. If your email or number was used elsewhere, your bank may ask whether you want to move it. Just follow the instructions shown to complete that step securely. After you're enrolled, you'll be prompted to select the account you want to use with Zelle. Choose the checking or savings account you prefer for everyday transactions. Take a quick moment to confirm the account nickname or the last 4 digits so you link the right one. If your bank displays transaction limits or availability times, review them now so you know what to expect. You can usually change the linked account later in your Zelle settings if your needs change. That's it. Your bank account is now connected to Zelle and you're ready to send and receive money with people you trust. Remember, Zelle transfers are fast, often within minutes between enrolled users, and they may not be reversible. Always double-check recipient details before sending. To receive money, share the email or mobile number you just enrolled and the funds will go directly to the account you selected. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're all set to use Zelle confidently from your bank's app or website.